Ansys HPC Platform Services is a set of technology components designed to help you manage the execution of simulations. With Ansys Gateway, HPS manages jobs on an auto-scaling cluster on AWS. HPS provides a convenient interface to the cluster, allowing users to submit and manage jobs directly from their local or virtual machine. For an example workflow, I will demonstrate using Ansys Mechanical. The user simply selects the HPS queue and number of cores and hits Solve. The input files are prepared locally and sent to HPS. Once the transfer is completed, I can monitor the progress from Mechanical or close the window to free up a license. I can also open the HPS Web UI from the right-click menu or from a browser. The HPS Web UI shows all the projects I've run and their status. For the job I just launched, the status is pending, and I can see the reason it's pending is the auto-scaling cluster is scaling up to meet demand. The input files are shown below, and once the solve has begun, the output files appear as well. Selecting a file shows the output below, which constantly updates. After the solve finishes, download the desired files from the browser, or simply download results in the application interface.